Let's firstly talk about the general specifications of Samsung Galaxy Zero. Operating system will be Android 8.0, Oreo. And it will be available in 3 colors: black, gray, and blue. Secondly, let's talk about the display of Samsung Galaxy Zero. 5.9 inches Super AMOLED Infinity 2K display. With Gorilla Glass 6 and some sensors are accelerometer, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. Thirdly, let's talk about the processor and the RAM of Samsung Galaxy Zero. Processor is going to be 2.4 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, whereas the RAM will be 6 GB. And fourthly, let's talk about the camera of Samsung Galaxy Zero. Rear camera will be dual cameras of B12 megapixel, and front camera will have 8 megapixel, with dual-tone LED flash. Fifth, we will talk about storage of Samsung Galaxy Zero. The internally available storage will be 128 GB, and is expandable up to 256 GB with micro SD card. Sixth, at last we shall get you noticed about the battery. The battery is 3500 mAh non-removable with quick and wireless charging. Moving forward now we shall discuss the price and release date of Samsung Galaxy Zero. The expected price is $900 US